Hi, I'm Scott, the founder and owner of GoldwingDocs, one of the largest and most popular Honda Goldwing forums on the internet. Welcome to our new GoldwingDocs YouTube channel. We've been producing award-winning how-to guides on our website to help you maintain and repair your Honda Goldwing for over 10 years. You've probably seen our many complimentary how-to, maintenance, and product review videos as well. We've moved all of our videos to this new dedicated GoldwingDocs YouTube channel. I'd encourage you to subscribe to our new channel so you don't miss any of our new videos, and we plan to be creating a lot of them. You can do that right now by clicking right here, or by clicking the subscribe button below. Don't forget to also click that little bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And as always, you can visit our website at GoldwingDocs.com anytime. Do some research, learn about Goldwings, or chat with some of our friendly members. And as always, it's free. Thanks for coming along for the ride with us.